How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Let's get started. Screen mirroring lets you display your iPhone screen on a compatible TV, monitor, or Apple device like an Apple TV, perfect for sharing videos, presentations, and more. Launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Now head over to the option AirPlay and Handoff. Make sure you have enabled for this option of Handoff. Now click on the option Automatically AirPlay, checking for the option of Ask or Automatic. Now you can open your control center. You're gonna find this screen mirroring icon. Click on that. Now here you're gonna find the list of the compatible devices to which you can start screen mirroring. Select the device you want to mirror your screen. If prompted, enter the AirPlay code shown on the TV screen to connect. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your iPhone Connect on a bigger screen. So this is how you can easily turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.